Welcome to Riddoch at Home. My name's Lisa. Join me today for an Adult Learners Week workshop. For today's workshop, we'll be making earrings like this from paint swatches. For today's activity, what you'll need is some paint swatches, jump rings and earring hooks, a glue stick and scissors, a pen or pencil, and some pliers. To get started with our earrings, first of all, earlier I cut out a template of the shape I'm going to use for my earrings, just on a piece of cardboard, and that's what I'll use to trace onto my colour swatches. We will need to trace 2 of each colour onto the backs of these colour swatches. So now that I've traced those on there, I'm going to cut all 6 of my templates out. Now that I've got my earring shapes cut out, so there should be 2 of our 3 colours, I'm just going to arrange them in the way that I want them to sit. So I'm putting the same colour on top, in the middle and the bottom, and then I'm going to cut on an angle my top one, so that we will see the pink underneath. And then I'm going to cut the pink on the opposite angle, so that they appear like that, and then that like that. I'll use my glue stick to glue them together, but first of all I need to make sure that this pair matches but is the opposite. So the easiest way to do this is to just flip that over and cut along there, so that when you open them out, they're the opposite, and same for the pink. And then our green. Now I'll start the gluing. Now that I've glued all my pieces together and I'm happy with how they look, I'm just going to use a safety pin to make a hole fairly close to the top of the earring, and this is where I'm going to be putting the jump ring and the earring hook through. So just be careful. Making that hole. To attach our jump ring, we just use our pliers to split the jump ring so that we've got an opening, and then we're going to use that to go through the holes we've made in the earring, and this is a bit fiddly. So here's my finished product. There is endless combinations of colours and shapes that you could do. Enjoy.